Hi, I'm sure by now you would be aware of global warming, but what you don't know is how grave the situation has become today. I'm sure you must have heard that global warming leads to climate change, but the problem is you don't know what the climate change really means. What do you think climate change is? Summer's getting a little bit hot while winter's getting less cold year by year. Someone among you might even think, so what? IWACE is with me. I don't need to worry. It's so sad to know that what we think is not even close to the reality. So let me show you a glimpse of what it is using just a single simple fact. There have been 5 mass extinctions in the past, wiping around 75% of species of Earth each time. The fun fact is, at that time there were no humans. All that was done by nature alone, and that was millions of years ago. But today, we are living in the times of sixth mass extinction, in which nature has nothing to do. According to fifth assessment report by IPCC, at least 95% of this situation is caused by humans alone. So why am I telling you all this stuff today? It's because these years are the make or break years, which will ultimately decide our future on earth. So seeing the urgency of situation and lack of time available, it's clear that governments alone can't do this. So people like you and me have to stand up and come together to do the needful. Remember this thing. If we don't do anything now, then our generation and the coming ones would witness something that no one has ever seen in the entire human history. Before making things serious, I would like to introduce myself. I'm that person who doesn't choose to play at the hands of the fate. Believe me, the upcoming future is not in favor of any of us. I have decided to take action, which in the coming times is going to get much serious. But the truth is, I can't do this alone. Even you can't do this alone. All of us are in this thing together. So we have to play our individual roles in preventing the unfavorable conditions. So today I want to make it clear that the Vision 2100 is not a YouTube channel. Rather, it's a movement of every human, no matter who they are, what they do, to achieve one and only one goal of saving the ecosystem of Earth from the consequences of our own previous actions. So today I announce the beginning of movement, the Vision 2100, whose success solely depends upon the results of carbon emissions by the end of year 2050.